Snoring might seem harmless, but up to 90 million Americans snore. And for many, it's the first sign that something's wrong. Because night after night, snoring starts breaking your body down. If you or your partner snore loudly, gasp awake, or feel exhausted in the morning, that's not restorative sleep. That's your body falling apart. Poor sleep quality doesn't just make you tired, it slowly destroys the person that you want to be. Fathers running on fumes, too depleted to play with their kids, and too irritable to connect with their wives. The laughter in bedtime stories gets replaced by short tempers and silent regret. Moments that should build memories are replaced with distance and hurt, all because their body never truly rests. Countless men and women waking up feeling like they haven't slept at all. Their minds are clouded, their focus is gone, their energy is non-existent. But when they go to the doctor, everything comes back normal. The labs look fine, the vitals look fine, but they know something is wrong and no one can explain why. Couples that don't sleep in the same bed anymore, not because they don't love each other, but because they can't. Snoring shakes the walls. One or both partners can't sleep, and slowly, a quiet distance forms. What used to be intimacy becomes separate rooms, missed good nights, and cold sheets. And for those who do tough it out together, they lie awake terrified, wondering if the next choke or pause in their partner's breathing could be their last. The science isn't vague anymore. The consequences of snoring are real. New studies suggest that poor sleep due to snoring is linked to higher risk of heart attack or stroke, elevated blood pressure, disrupted hormones, daytime exhaustion, plummeting sex drive, cognitive decline, and worst of all, most people go years without addressing their snoring, letting the damage pile up. Young or old, overweight or not, snoring can affect anyone. Snoring is more than just noise. It's a warning signal that your tongue and soft palate are collapsing back into your throat while you sleep. Your body works overtime to suck in air. That snoring sound is your blocked airway fighting to reestablish airflow. Not only could this be keeping your partner awake, but your deep sleep is getting thrown out the window. If you're lucky enough to sleep through your snoring, you might not remember it. But your body does, and it pays the price in energy, clarity, and long-term health. Most people don't take action because they think, I'll just do it later, or it's not that bad. Others assume that they're going to need some really expensive solution, whether it's doctor's visits, surgeries, machines, or something that straps to their face. But that couldn't be farther from the truth. I'm Chris Garvey, the co-founder of SnoreLessNow, and we work with doctors and sleep experts to actually help you recover at night, not just close your eyes. We've helped tens of thousands of people stop snoring, sleep deeper, and feel human again, because you deserve to sleep without fear. You deserve to show up as your most energized self, to wake up next to your partner, not apart, not exhausted, but restored. With the help of world-class Swiss engineers and leading sleep specialists, we created the Somnofit-S Anti-Snore Mouthguard Plus, the only Swiss-made, FDA-cleared, over-the-counter solution that treats snoring at the source. It gently positions your lower jaw forward, moving the tongue and soft tissue away from the throat, reopening your airway for clear, unobstructed breathing. Not to mention, clinical trials showed over 90% of participants had significant improvement in their snoring. The Somnofit-S has been named Best Anti-Snoring Mouthguard, Most Comfortable Anti-Snoring Mouthguard of the Year, and over 700 doctors recommend it to their patients every single day. We knew the results were good, but even we were surprised by how good. John, a husband and father from Oregon, says, I bought this in hopes that it would allow my wife to sleep better when she's next to me. I found out that not only does she sleep better, but so do I. Ever since I started using it, my 2-year-old daughter has started sleeping through the night. I had no idea her wake-ups were because of me. A house that gets more sleep is a happier house. David from California says, I've tried countless different products to help with my snoring. From cheap $20 gimmicks to professionally fabricated custom $4,000 appliances, the Somnofit-S is without a doubt the best and most effective, reliable product I've tried yet. In fact, I've ended my search for anything better because I honestly don't think it exists. And they're not alone. Countless others have experienced the same life-changing results. The Somnofit-S molds to nearly every mouth size at home in minutes. No labs, no doctors, no prescriptions are required to get started up. It's simple, flexible, and gentle on teeth. And the best part, we offer an 120-night money-back guarantee. If your sleep isn't dramatically improved within the first 120 nights of use, we'll give you a full refund, hassle-free. So hurry up and grab your Somnofit-S by clicking on this video or by visiting SnoreLessNow.com. Due to its high demand, we've sold out several times recently in the past. We just got our latest restock in, so you couldn't be seeing this video at a better time. Go ahead and get yours now with limited time free shipping if you act fast. The choice is yours. Keep ruining your dreams or make one decision that will change your life forever. You've already lost enough sleep. Don't lose this chance to get it back.